What's up guys, Chef Anthony here, Don's Appliances. Today I'm making the Delmonico steak, amazing, and I'm making it on your teppanyaki. We're featuring the wolf. Let's jump right into this guy, okay? Take the lid off our guy, boom. All right, we wanna crank these up. We wanna get them on nice and high, guys. Just probably take a minute or two, get that smoking hot. Let's talk about our steak. Delmonico today, great cut, little dry aged. But guys, there's always a little bit of moisture on here. So you wanna grab your towel, you wanna pat that guy dry very nicely. You know, make sure you get that excess moisture off. It's really gonna create a better crust for your overall product. Both sides too, guys, don't forget, all right? It's a little quick tip. All right, so now I guess got a little bit of Himalayan salt and a little bit of black pepper. We're gonna heavily coat this guy on this side. Nice and fresh, just like that. Don't worry about over salting it. The moisture, the ratio, it'll only take as much salt and as much black pepper as it can. So you won't over salt this guy. Cool fact. All right, this guy looks great, nice and hot. We're just gonna drizzle a little bit of oil in here, a little bit of olive oil, okay? And I'm gonna use the back of my spatula to make sure it's nice and even, okay? A little bit extra won't hurt. We're gonna put this guy right down. And guys, here's the tip. You wanna put it down just like this, and you wanna go away like that. So now it's away from you so it doesn't ever splatter towards. Hear that great sizzle? Teppanyaki's amazing. While we're doing that, let's just press this down, get the moisture off this side, okay? And let's season it. Depending on how thick your steak is, this guy's gonna be, about an inch. So we're gonna say about 2 minutes on each side. We wanna get that good crust. Then our teppanyaki is so helpful. It's a dual temperature that we're gonna put it down, caramelize it with a little bit of butter to finish. So, all right, crew, it's been about 2.5 minutes. We're ready to flip. Really important when you're using the teppanyaki, you don't want to keep flipping it back and forth. We want to sear that one side hard and then do it on the other side. That's when you create kind of uneven cooking in certain spots, and then you really get lost, apparently, like where you are in the cooking process, okay? So we'll give this guy a nice flip. Check it out, see how we did here. Look at that sizzle. That's perfect, man. That is just what the teppanyaki does. Gives you that great caramelization from edge to edge. The best part about this is, we're doing it indoors. You can cook for a crew. You can have just a great experience. But we're using 2 burners, guys. So if I wanted to finish this steak, I could actually put it on low in the front and put it in the front and then really finish another steak or start searing another steak. So you can constantly be cooking a lot of food. Huge piece with that. So another about 2 minutes on this side. This steak should be ready to go nice and easy. A little bit of this butter, kind of richen it up a little bit and get all that good fond on the bottom. Makes it very, very flavorful, just like that. So, let's check that. Ah, beautiful. And if you're ready like this, I'm just gonna lower this down to low. It'll just hold this at the perfect temp for whenever you're ready for it. And let's see how nice it just picks up. All right, crew, there's just one thing left to do. Let's cut into this guy. Let's look at it, see how we did here. Oh, that's beautiful steak right there. Nice, fully cooked. That's the sear we want to see. Perfect medium. That's going to eat very well on the teppanyaki. Nice and easy, crew. Hope you enjoyed this one.